tastes like 100 subscribers. Woo-hoo! Guys, so thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it so much. These are genuine tips that I personally use to help grow my YouTube channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, and definitely turn on the notification. First one, guys, is to be patient. I'm the type of person who would want to reload my page every second just to check if my subscriber count has changed. Every channel achieves that differently, so you also have to keep that in mind. For example, give yourself a longer time to achieve your 100 subscribers. For example, give yourself 6 months, achieve your first 100 subscribers. So if you achieve it within a month, it would be beyond your expectation, which would be more satisfying. Next tip I have is to share your page with friends and family. Literally, talk to your friends and family about your YouTube channel. Just inbox them, call them, or when you see them, like, hey, I started a YouTube channel. If you're interested, definitely support. I'd appreciate the support. And trust me, most family and friends will help. Subscribe and support. Next tip I have is to try to have at least one video up so people can get just a little idea of what your channel is about. So it's harder to subscribe to a channel with no videos at all. So with one video, you can now branch out from your friends and family. Having one video will seriously help to get people to know a bit of your personality, what you'll be posting, stuff like that. Share your video on your social medias. Copy the link from YouTube and post on your social media like, hey guys, I started a YouTube channel, give a watch to my new video. If you like what you see, definitely subscribe. And one good thing is that I use is to post a snippet of the video on my social media channel. So I'll edit the video and then I'll clip it to about 30 seconds or 20 seconds and post that on my Instagram or Facebook, just to give people a little bit of an idea of what the video is about. And also, one thing is about YouTube analytics is that you can see how many people watch your video based on the source of the link. For example, if you promoted on Facebook and a lot of people clicked on your video, when you click on the YouTube analytics for that video, you can see, for example, that 47% of people watched that video from Facebook, or 20% from Instagram, or 10% from Twitter. So posting on your social media does help a lot, guys, so definitely do it. So one other great tip is to join Facebook group made for small YouTubers or based on the niche of your channel. So for example, if you're starting a travel channel, you'll join travel Facebook groups and you can promote your links there. Depending on the group, you can promote your videos, and there are lots of Facebook groups out there for small YouTubers. So definitely join those groups. You can also get questions answered there as a small YouTuber. It doesn't really work that much for me, but I have gained at least 1 or 2 subscribers from doing that and a few views. Because I've realized people are doing a lot of sub for sub, which is not the greatest thing, because you want to grow a channel with people who genuinely would want to watch your videos, whether they're actually interested in your content or just want to see you for your personality. But get rid of that dream of just hitting it big with one viral video. The main thing is just to post good content and post consistently, instead of thinking, oh, I just want to hit it with one big video that goes viral. One video at least 1 week is good, because people like consistent content, especially if they started getting used to you and they like what you do, they want to see you more often. This will help you to grow your channel. And also on that, definitely learn how to do SEO tags for your videos and learn about title tags and stuff like that. Tubebuddy is a great place to start. It's not like a magical stick, because I've watched a lot of YouTubers talking about Tubebuddy. It's not a magical wave that you just swirl and all of a sudden you get 100 subscribers or more. It just teaches you a lot about SEO, title tags, how to add the right tags to your videos, how to title your videos well based on the relevance of the video, based on the size of your page, based on your average views. So you can use that, but you don't have to use Tubebuddy as well. Just read a lot about SEO and tagging. Improve the search quality of your videos. Another tip that I would say is promote in your community. Like, doing a YouTube channel is basically like a business. Turning your creativity in a career, it's turning your lifestyle in a career. So talk to your community about it. If you go jogging, if you see someone and you strike up a conversation for whatever reason, feel free to mention that you're a new YouTuber and they could check out your channel, and if they like what they see, they can subscribe, and trust me, that will help. Check out the YouTube analytics of each of your past videos. So every time you make a video, you post a video, check the YouTube analytics to see where you're going wrong. If the retention is very low, then you can apply these stuff and improve in your next videos. I do this a lot. I check the analytics probably every day. I just want to see how my retention is, if people are actually staying for my video. I want to see how my title is working, my tags are working, my category is working, my description is working, if my thumbnail is working. I've actually changed thumbnails for my videos after putting it up just to see the reaction to a different thumbnail. Process your mistakes and do better for your next videos. The whole goal is to improve, so knowing where you go wrong will help you. So for example, if you have a retention problem, try to add some little nuggets in your videos to help. This one is to have catchy thumbnails and titles. For my thumbnails, I use Canva. It's simple, it's easy, and it's free, and they have a lot of options, elements, stuff that you can just pop in your thumbnail. Think about thumbnails that pop. Try to have high contrasted thumbnails, colorful thumbnails, but make sure that your thumbnails are catchy. Think about, would you press on this video if you're scrolling through? Think about it like that and make your thumbnails based on that. Definitely have catchy titles. Try to put a lot of your main keywords at the beginning of the title. So instead of saying, for example, I will show you exactly how to gain 100 subscribers fast, like gain 100 subscribers fast, I will show you how, something like that, or how to gain 100 subscribers fast. Valuable thing is, don't see your view count or your subscriber count as just numbers. They are people. For example, you have 40 subscribers, it's not just a 40. That's 40 people who have taken their time to not just subscribe to your channel, but they value your channel enough to subscribe to it. So if you see people more as numbers, you'll be more grateful for the smaller numbers. 40 people, 30 people, 20 people took their time to subscribe to your channel, and that's an accomplishment in and of itself. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming on here. I enjoyed making this video, sharing tips I have, and I wish you all the best with your YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe and leave a comment below. I want to hear some of your stories as a new YouTuber. What have you struggled mostly with, and what you hope to improve in the next month? And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!